Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Ayu Mawarni. I will present the project Computer and Hardware. Computer. What is computer? Computer is a set of electronic equipment that has the ability to input data and process it according to username, as well as producing output in the form of information in various displays such as text, image, audio, video, and audio visual. Computer function 1. As a tool that will make computer development work easier. The ability of a computer to store, process, edit data, and also process other data, so that the computer can function to make work easier. 2. As a means of information, computer functions as a means of searching for various information. Therefore, computer can be said to be like educational information, entertainment, as well as work names and so on. 3. As a means of control. The next function of a computer is that it can be used as a means of control of operating a system. 4. As a means of communication, computer can be also be means of communication. If you use a telephone, you can only hear sound, so it's different with a computer. 5. As a means of entertainment, computer also function to entertain themselves. Computer provide a variety of entertainment. Apart from game entertainment, you can also play songs, videos, and watch films. Computer history. One generation computer 1946 to 1959. Vacuum tubes. The generation of computer which span as roughly from 1946 to 1959 indeed relied on vacuum tube technology. The computer were massive computers to consume a lot power and guaranteed a significant amount of heat. 2. Generation computer 1959 to 1965. Transistor. About totally generation computer with a market between 1915 until 1965 market a significant advancement over their predecessor with the introduction of transistor. Generation computer 1965 to 1971. Indeed, generation computer was expanded from roughly 1965 to 1951, where charged divided by there was one integrative circuit, making another major leap forward in computing technology. Fourth generation computer 1971 until present. Microprocessor. The advent of microprocessor heralded the generation of computer starting around the 1971 and counting the present day. There are three types of computer. 1. Microcomputer. The term microcomputer is generally synonymous with personal computer or a computer that depends on a microcomputer. 2. Microcomputer. A mini-computer is a size computer that more powerful than microcomputer. 3. Mainframe. Computer used the primatology by Large Origination says about data processing for tasks such as census. Hardware. Hardware is all the physical part of computer. What distinguishes hardware is the data that is in it or the data that operates on it, which is different from software, which provides instruction for the hardware to complete its tasks. Hardware functions when receive input from user or other sources to process information or data according to instruction. 3. Providing output to user or longer purposes. 4. Storing information or data inside or outside the computer. Type input device. There are 5 types of input device. 1. Take input device or keyboard. Such a keyboard, a device to input text characters by depressing buttons referred to as keys, similar to typewriter. The most common English language key layout is the QWERTY layout. 2. Pointing device or mouse. A mouse, plural which or mouse device, is a pointing device that functions by detecting two-dimensional motion relative to its supporting surface. 3. Gaming device or joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of handheld sticks that pivot around one end to detect angles into or their dimensions. 4. Image video input device or image scanner. A device that provides input by analyzing image, render text, hardwiring or an object. Below is pictures of image scanner. 5. Audio input device or microphone. Microphone, sometimes referred to as a mic or mic, is a autistic to electric intruder or sensor that converts sound into an electric signal. Type output device. There are 2 types output device. 1. Image video output device or printer. Printer is a peripheral which produces a hard copy, permanent human readable text and or graphics of documents stored in electronic form, usually on physical print media such as paper of transparencies. 2. Audio output device or speaker. Computer speaker or multimedia speaker are external speakers commonly equipped with a low power internal amplifier. Conclusion from the 2 summaries: hardware is a computer component which equipment can be seen and touched directly or indifferent from this. Also function to support the computerization process, including input device and output device. Advance in information and communication technology that continue to interest today make all human work easier. One example is the use of electronic devices, a computer. The use and function of computer today is not only as a tool for calculating and processing data, but through computer, humans who are referred to as user can communicate with other computer user and shares and download information universally via the internet network. One computer, in this case, is necessary to understand the basis of computer knowledge for human resources to be able to use computer as efficiently as possible in life. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.